Every day, industrial factories produce billions of aluminum cans without stopping. Aluminum is one of the most widely used packaging materials in the world. It is lightweight, strong, and fully recyclable. In the United States alone, more than 100 billion aluminum cans are consumed every year. But how are millions of identical cans manufactured at extreme speed, starting from recycled metal? The process begins long before a can even exists. At this facility, massive bundles of used aluminum cans arrive from around the world. Each compressed bale can weigh up to 1 ton and contain tens of thousands of crushed cans. These bales are formed to make transportation, storage, and handling inside the factory more efficient. The compressed cans are fed into a powerful industrial shredder. Unlike other metals, aluminum cannot be separated using magnets. Instead, the shredded material passes through an optical sorting system that uses infrared sensors to identify aluminum and separate it from any unwanted materials. Paint, coatings, and contaminants are removed before the next stage. The clean aluminum is melted inside furnaces that reach temperatures above 700 degrees Celsius. As the metal melts, a layer of aluminum oxide forms on the surface. This unwanted material, known as dross, is carefully removed to ensure purity. The molten aluminum then flows into a holding furnace, where it is kept at a stable temperature before being shaped. The liquid aluminum is poured into large molds to form massive ingots. Each ingot can be more than 10 meters long, weigh several dozen tons, and be made from over 1 million recycled cans. Within hours, the metal solidifies and is ready for the next step. These ingots are not stored for long. They are transported to rolling mills, where they are reheated to relieve internal stress. The metal then passes repeatedly through enormous rollers that stretch and thin it, reducing it to a thickness of just a fraction of a millimeter. The result is giant aluminum coils, some stretching for several kilometers. These coils are shipped to beverage can manufacturing plants. This is where the cans are formed. Each roll can produce hundreds of thousands of cans. The process is fully automated. Aluminum sheets are fed into high-speed presses that strike the metal hundreds of times per minute. With each cycle, multiple can bases are formed from precisely cut discs. These pieces move into drawing machines, where a metal punch pushes the aluminum through a series of progressively smaller molds. The metal stretches without tearing thanks to constant lubrication, which reduces friction and controls heat. In just seconds, the full can body takes shape. The newly formed cans are coated with oily residues, so they pass through a multi-stage industrial washing system. Chemical solutions, ionized air, and pressurized water are used to clean them completely. Each finished can weighs less than 15 grams, yet it must withstand high internal pressure without deforming. Once cleaned, the cans enter the printing section. High-speed rotating machines apply multiple colors with extreme precision. For beverage cans, color accuracy is critical. After exterior decoration, an internal coating is applied to prevent direct contact between the aluminum and the drink, protecting both flavor and container. Next, the top of the can is shaped, forming the rim where the lid will be attached. Lids are manufactured separately and assembled at remarkable speed. Sensors and scanners immediately detect any defects. Any cans that fail inspection are automatically removed and sent back for recycling. Finally, the cans reach the filling line. High-pressure machines inject the beverage and carbonation in seconds. The lids are sealed immediately to preserve freshness. Before packaging, the cans are brought to ambient temperature to prevent condensation. In just a few hours, recycled aluminum has passed through shredding, melting, rolling, forming, printing, and filling. A continuous and precise process that allows millions of identical cans to be produced every single day. This is how a 24/7 aluminum can factory operates. a high-speed industrial system designed for efficiency, precision, and continuous recycling. If you enjoy learning how everyday products are made, you'll find more videos on this channel. Like the video if you found it interesting, and subscribe to keep exploring how the industry that powers the world really works.